Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about a recursion program of to find the sum of n numbers. Okay, so I am going to start the program void main. Inside the void main, I am writing the process to collect the n value printed. Okay, we enter the Actually, this is a normal for loop program to find the sum of n numbers, but we are going to convert that iterative program to a recursive program. So this is a recursion program. This is a program used to find the sum of n numbers using recursion. And the previous one that we discussed in the initial classes was iterative program, that is by using for loop. Okay, here we just need to know what is the maximum limit of the sum. Okay, so printf enter the number. I'm just collecting the number, and that value is saved in a variable scanf. Okay, %d, then comma ampersand n. So we got the variable. Now we are going to pass this value as a parameter to another function. So I am using the function name as sum. Okay, and we are going to pass a parameter n to that variable. Okay, sum of n, we pass that parameter, and the resultant value should be printed. Okay, so we need another variable s equal to. Okay, so this is a procedure. Sum is a function name. We are going to pass a parameter. That parameter value is a value of n, and the resultant value, the result of that value is saved in the variable s. Okay, now I am going to write a program for define this sum subfunction. So sum returns an integer value and pass a parameter. So first, what a parameter is a n value. Okay, and this function is going to return a value. Okay, so that we completed, and inside that we are going to complete the definition part of this subfunction. Listen, we should remember that this is a recursive program. So every recursive program, there should be a breaking statement. Otherwise, this process will continue and indefinitely. It should not happen like that. So if it is a for loop, if we are using an iterative condition, what we will do? If I equal to 0, I less than n. So that is a condition. So such a kind of condition should be there in the recursive program also. Okay. So what we will do? So we are collecting the value. That value may be 5. And that value is passed from main function to subfunction. We are getting that value as n, and n value is equal to 5. Now we have to first initially think what should be the breaking statement for this recursive function. Okay, I am saying that if the value of n is reduced to, okay, if the value of n is reduced to 0, then we have to stop the process. Okay, so at that time we can stop the process if n equal to 0. So this is a breaking statement. If n equal to 0, then this function will return a value 0. This function will return a value 0. Else what the function is going to return, that is important. Okay, so I am going to, actually I have another option, but I don't want to confuse you initially. As a beginner, you just need to know I am using a variable s here to perform the operation. Okay, s equal to n plus, okay, s equal to n plus sum of n minus 1. Actually, we are going to pass the parameter 1 again and again to the same function itself. That is why it is said to be recursion. Okay, so s equal to n plus sum of n minus 1. So that value is saved in the variable s, and we are going to return that value. Okay, return yes. Okay, so one function calling is okay, function definition is okay. Then I have to declare the function. So how will we declare? What's the name of the function? Sum is the name of the function. Whether we are passing any parameter? Yes, we are passing a parameter here. So int. And whether this function is returning any value? Yes, this function is returning an integer value. Okay, so this is the way we completed the program. Now we are going to run the program. Okay, there is an error, undeclared, n undeclared, where, okay, in the main function I forgot to declare the variable in n. Okay, now when running the program, s is also undeclared. Yeah, here I forgot to declare s also. Then no problem. 5 is a value, so it's not printing anything, or it is not reflecting. The result is not reflecting. Why it is? Here the result is transferred to the main function s, and after that I have to print the value. Printf sum of a number. Sum is %d, then comma yes. Let me run the program. 15. Okay. What is this? Okay. So this is a program that we have.